Pack your wand and prepare for a magical stroll into a fine property in London's student scene. Welcome to Miles Street SW8, a stunning student accommodation offering you ensuite rooms to make your own. You'll find a cozy bed, a spacious study desk with drawers and additional wall shelves for storage. Put your Kindle down on the bedside table and explore. Maybe host a movie night in the cinema room or a friendly match in the game room. You can maintain your gains in the fitness center and take homemade meals from the shared kitchen to the rooftop terrace. This home away from home offers every amenity you need to make your stay as smooth as summer rain. The excellent location places Chelsea College of Arts a brisk 18-minute walk away, and the University of Wales Trinity St. David just a 7-minute drive away. Furthermore, the neighborhood is rife with iconic museums, parks, and landmarks, starting with Street James Park to the Tate Britain Art Gallery, all by your side. With the 9 Elms subway station a mere 7-minute walk away, London is at your doorstep. If home is where your story begins, choose to start here. And to find out more, head to amberstudent.com now.